Namaste everyone, welcome back to my channel Nrityalekha. In my first art video you have learnt about the types of lines. In this video you're going to know about the textures. What is a texture? Texture is nothing but the upper surface of any object is called as a texture. So there are different kinds of texture. For example, you can take a leaf. If you touch the leaf you can feel the veins on it. And if you touch any bark of a tree, you can say that it's a hard surface, and the texture you can understand it. So you can touch a brick wall and you can say that it's a brick. So how to draw those kind of textures on paper? So you're gonna know about these textures, the drawing of these textures on a paper today in this video.
So we'll learn from the basics. 8 elements of art like lines, rhythm, textures. These are very helpful in the beginning of any art. These are like basics in art. So first we'll see how to draw a tree bark. Now we'll draw the cross section of the tree trunk. If you cut a tree trunk, how does it looks? So just make rounds like this. The cross section of the trunk of any tree, it looks like this. It looks like a rounds. So these rounds are called as annual rings. So with the help of these annual rings, we can say the age of a plant. So here are like some cuttings which gives a natural look. The dark shade in the cuts indicates that it has a great depth, and the light ones is just like small cuts. Next we'll draw a leaf. A leaf has main rib, this is the midrib, and these are the lateral veins. Now we'll draw a brick wall. Don't put much pressure on pencil, just catch it very lightly. Then draw in this way the boxes which are like bricks. Now we'll do some shadings. Now we'll draw the basket texture. So baskets are generally weaved. So how we can draw the weaved textures? So this is the part 1 of the texture. Second part of texture is also going to come. In that I'm going to cover cracked earth, windy grass and some exciting textures. So subscribe to my channel and hit on the bell icon for the notifications.
So guys, practice these during the lockdown days and improve your art. So like, share and subscribe to my channel Nritya Lekha.